If your car is acting up, acting a little off, a little funny, since Sunday's snowstorm, listen, you are not alone. Mechanics say they're seeing a lot of people coming in trying to figure out what's wrong with their vehicle. NBC Connecticut's Jeremy Chin has more on that and what you can do about it.
Does your car feel a little bumpy on the highway? Or maybe your sensors are all going haywire. Mechanics say those are issues they've been seeing after more than a foot of snow was dumped on our state.
Through this snowstorm, we've been getting a lot of calls about their cars driving funny. Something doesn't feel right.
Jonathan Milo, a technician at Black Bear Auto in Bristol, says that bumpy feeling usually points to one thing.
It's snow packed inside their wheels, like inside the rim, so your tires are normally balanced, and with the snow being packed in there, it makes them unbalanced.
Auto shop owner Michael Stevenson says people should be removing snow and ice from the wheels so they don't get muddied up.
What I like to do is I like to kick right here. Usually, like, a lot of this gets caught on the back of your wheel. So sometimes if you hear that thumping, just kick right here and all this starts to come out.
And what about the dashboard sensors showing up?
Cold weather and wiring, they don't mix.
So how can you fix it? The mechanics suggest removing ice from different sensors. Usually you can find them on the front and back bumpers and the emblem in front of the car. They also say it's important to warm up your car. About 15 minutes works, but it may need to be longer if it's single digits outside or your car is older.
So everything will get up to operating temperature if you let your car heat up a little bit, and it'll be better when you're driving down the road.
And any amount of driving after a snowstorm will leave your car covered in salt. So should you get it washed right away? Mallow says it may be a good idea to wait until roads are fully cleared of snow and when the highs get in the 30s to help prevent freezing.
Get your car washed and you go drive down the road after pulling out of the car wash, all that salt is now back up on your vehicle.
If another winter storm comes, Mallow says the best maintenance may be to just stay home.
Honestly, if your car's fine and if you don't have to drive, don't drive in the snowstorm.
In Bristol, Jeremy Chen, NBC Connecticut News.